class 4. Welcome back. Um, so we have learnt about the first chapter, the food we eat. We have already started this chapter, okay? And I have introduced you in the previous video. I have introduced the various types of food nutrient. Now in this video, I am going to explain you about the different types of nutrients in details, right? So the first nutrient what we have introduced, it is the carbohydrates, right? So I am going to write on the board carbohydrate. You must know the right spelling, correct spelling of carbohydrate. The spelling is CARBOHYDRATES. Alright. Now what is carbohydrate? Carbohydrates are basically the energy giving food. Means those food components which help our body to give energy to do various activities. Now which kind of people need energy, more energy? Those who do lot of like physical activities, and also athletes. Okay, athletes means the sports person. They also like need lot of energy to run, to do the various sports activities, right? And so they need more and more amount of energy. Now from where do we get this carbohydrate? Okay, from which kind of food do we get carbohydrate? Basically, if you have seen in your book also, and we obtain or we get the carbohydrate, this food we get from the plant sources. Means we get from different types of cereals. So the examples are cereals. Cereals are what? All the different types of grains. Okay. Then what else? Sugar, bread, and etc. Now you will find in cereals like wheat, barley, jowar, then rice. Okay, these are the cereals from where we get carbohydrate. So carbohydrate is what? Basically it is the energy giving food which helps our body to give energy so that we can do our daily activity. Alright. Now we move to the next topic, that is fats. So like we can say carbohydrate is also an like energy giving food. Alright. Then we move to the next like nutrient, that is fats. Fats are basically, these are the like food which are which are basically they act like a fuel to our body. Like they also give energy to our body, and not only energy, they keep our body warm. So like you must have noticed that during winter time we need a lot of we need lot of dry fruits and all we eat. Why do we eat dry fruits? So that it can keep our body warm. Okay. So fats are what? Fats are those food components which keeps our body warm and also gives energy. And you must be knowing that from fats we get more energy than carbohydrate. So both carbohydrate and fat both are called the energy giving food. Alright. Now from where do we get like the fats? Which are the food? From which sources do we get fats? That is examples are, it is ghee. All the oily food, basically they contain lot of fats. So you can say oil, butter, ghee. Okay, oil, butter, ghee, and also meat. They also contain some fat. Then all types of dry fruits. Basically like the walnuts, cashew, then we have almonds. These are the main source of fat. And why do we need this? So that it keeps our body warm. But you see what? Like when we take fats like gives us energy, right? And our body does not need so much amount of energy. Now whatever amount of energy is needed by our body, we utilize it. But if like the extra energy which is in our body, it is stored in the form of fat. The energy which is not being used, it gets deposited in our body in the form of fat, and it is not good. But sometimes what happen, if you have seen the bulky people, those who are little fat people, if you don't give them food, okay, they can survive for maybe 1 or 2 days without food. They can live. Why? Because they already have lot of energy stored in their body in the form of fat. Alright, but that again I would advise you not to take too much of fat food, like contained food. Why? Because it is not good for our body. It is not good for our health. Now, if you take a lot of food